Hello, 5th graders. Welcome to your spelling test for Sort 55S. Listen to each word as many times as you need to type it and pick which pattern it belongs to. Number 1, there. Where did the green class put their Chromebook cart? There. Number 2, weird. What's that weird tapping sound? Weird. Number 3, ceiling. Our ceiling is made up of tiles. Ceiling. 4, 18. When you turn 18, you're officially an adult. 18. 5, mischief. What kind of mischief happened at recess today? Mischief. 6, weigh. How much does Soli weigh, you ask? 60 pounds. Weigh. 7, deceive. To deceive someone is to trick them. Deceive. 8, either. Either we go to recess now or we go later. Either. 9, shield. You might need to shield yourself from bugs using bug spray. Shield. 10, receipt. Get a receipt to see how much you spent at Target. Receipt. You can listen to this screencast as many times as you need to type the words and pick which pattern they belong to.